Hi my dear friends, hope you're doing very well today. Welcome back to my channel Rameliving. And in today's video, I'm thrilled to be making for you 3 recipes that I know that is going to work very well for you and your whole family. And due to this pandemic going on all around the world of the COVID-19, I know that lots of you has put a lot of effort and attention to your own health and into your own body. And that's why it's so important to see this as an opportunity to evaluate all of the food that we're putting in our body every day. Because food, it works, food is basically the same as medicine. The moment that we eat the food, it starts doing lots of chemical reactions in our body that enhance certain responses. So today I made for you 3 recipes of 3 different tonics that has food with powerful effects in your immune system. And this is by using certain types of specific food which are pretty common, and I'm pretty sure that it is going to be really easy for you to get these ingredients. If not, you already have them home. Now, for the first tonic, we're going to use 4 different ingredients, which 2 of them, they act as a natural antibiotic. And this is the onion and the garlic. And both type of food, they have this effect of antifungus and antiviral. That's why I was telling you that they are called the natural antibiotics. And they work very well in the level of the respiratory system. And the third ingredient that we're gonna combine this is with the honey. And bee honey has this effect on the body to help drain all of the mucus inside our system, and it opened the canals to make a good flow of liquids inside. So that's why the honey is so well used in all of the diseases of respiratory tract, like for example when you're with the flu. And we're gonna combine it with the lemon, which the lemon has this powerful antioxidant that we all know that works very well, that is the vitamin C. So imagine the combination of these 4 ingredients, how powerful they are. Now, for the second tonic, that I think that probably is my favorite because it's the sweeter, we're gonna use the orange, and we're gonna combine it with ginger and turmeric. And the orange, you know, that is the gold standard for vitamin C. It's full packed of this vitamin. And the ginger and the turmeric are 2 types of roots that they have anti-inflammatory effects, which is great to maintain a balance in the immune system. And for the third tonic, we're gonna use the lemon, which the same as the orange, it has lots of vitamin C, and we're gonna combine it with honey, that is anti-mucus and anti-inflammatory, plus cayenne pepper. And the cayenne pepper has this compound called capsaicin that makes activates the whole metabolism. It produces heat and it activates all of the response. Now, for the first tonic, we're gonna need half of a lemon, 1/4 of a raw onion, 1 garlic, plus 1 tablespoon of 100% natural honey. Now you have to grate the garlic, then grate the onion, squeeze the lemon juice, and combine it with the honey. Now leave it there resting for 5 minutes before you filter it with a cloth or with a filter, leaving all of the solids behind and drinking only the liquid. The first tonic is ready. Now for the second tonic, we're gonna need 1 orange, 1 piece of fresh ginger, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. We're gonna squeeze the juice of the orange. Then we're gonna grate the ginger. And we're gonna combine it with the turmeric. And just like before, we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes before we filter it. And the tonic is ready to be drank. For the last but not least tonic, we're gonna need the juice of half of lemon plus 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper plus 1 tablespoon of honey, and basically we're gonna just mix the 3 ingredients together. And now you can find yourself 3 tonics with powerful effects on your immune system. So my friends, these are the tonics. I hope that they work a lot for you. Remember that everyone in the family can use them. You can drink it every single day. They're packed of these vitamins that will help you to maintain a well balance in your system, especially in your immune system. Now, saying that, it is important that the first tonic, which contains the natural antibiotics, that is the raw garlic and the raw onion, maybe that one it's better to not use it all like every day, because the activation can be a lot. So maybe that one you can use it a little bit less, like 1 or twice a week, and the other rest of the days you use the other ones. It's good to change among them too. Another thing is that if you want to produce a little bit more, you can just duplicate or triplicate the recipe and you can put it in the fridge to have it ready. Nonetheless, the fresher you can make it, the more powerful it will be, of course. But well, I think that this is gonna benefit all of us, and just remember that there are many ways to enhance our immune system and our system in general, which are natural and involves good practices like good sleep, meditation, good eating, the use of superfoods like these tonics, and exercise, and well, the whole system, because our body is completely holistic. And I want to invite you to check out my website, rameliving.com, because in there I have lots more of videos, articles, and recipes about wellness, well-being, and healthy eating, and happy thoughts. So take care and be safe. Bye.